If your Peloton won't connect to Wi-Fi, it may be due to a weak or busy network signal. Common causes of this issue include a Wi-Fi network that is either too busy or has a weak connection. To resolve this problem, start by testing your internet connection. Access your settings by tapping the three dots at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then navigate to the speed test option and tap it. Initiate the test by clicking Go. It's essential to note that optimal performance requires upload speeds of 10 to 15 megabytes per second and download speeds of 2.5 megabytes per second. If the issue persists, try refreshing the Wi-Fi connection by accessing your settings, selecting your network, and tapping Forget. Then, turn off the touchscreen, unplug the power cable, and switch off the router. Wait a few minutes before restarting the router and plugging the power cable back in. Restart the touchscreen, adjust the date and time, and reconnect to your network. If the error still occurs, it may be necessary to contact your internet service provider for further assistance.